Hold on to your hamster wheels, CEOs. The moment we've all been waiting for is almost here. What's the latest buzz on the TGE and the epic airdrop? You're not going to want to miss this, trust me. Stay tuned as we unravel the mystery and reveal what you need to know to stay ahead in Hamster Kombat. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated TGE token generation event and the upcoming airdrop distribution. Ready to supercharge your gameplay and maximize those rewards? Then keep watching. Alright, Hamster Kombat fans, we've got some exciting news. You've been asking, when's the big day? When's the airdrop coming? Well, wonder no more because Hamster Kombat has just dropped the bombshell we've all been waiting for. Mark your calendars and set those alarms for September 26th. That's right. Hamster Kombat's token generation event, TGE, and airdrop are officially happening on that date. This is shaping up to be a historic event, and you won't want to miss it. The announcement confirms that Hamster Kombat is indeed gearing up for what's set to be the largest airdrop in crypto history. The anticipation has been building, and now we have a concrete date to look forward to. The white paper hinted at a big event, and the team has delivered with a date that aligns perfectly with the community's predictions. This isn't just another update, it's set to be one of the largest and most thrilling airdrops in the history of crypto gaming. Here's a deep dive into what you need to know. Token Generation Event, TGE. What is TGE? The Token Generation Event is the moment when Hamster Kombat will officially launch its native cryptocurrency token. This token will be essential for various in-game transactions, including purchases, upgrades, and trading. How it works: on September 26th, you'll be able to acquire these tokens through various means, including participating in the event directly or through exchanges. This launch will pave the way for new features, enhanced gameplay, and economic opportunities within Hamster Kombat. Why it matters: having access to these tokens from the get-go means you'll be ahead of the curve, with the ability to leverage them for in-game advantages, investments, and potentially even future rewards. Airdrop Details. What's an airdrop? An airdrop is a distribution of free tokens to eligible participants. It's a way for the Hamster Kombat team to reward the community and encourage wider adoption of the game. Distribution plan. The airdrop will distribute tokens to a broad range of players, with eligibility based on various criteria. The exact mechanics and requirements for the airdrop will be detailed closer to the event, but it's expected to be extensive and inclusive. How to maximize your rewards: ensure you're actively participating in the game, completing daily tasks, and engaging with the community. Often, airdrop rewards are tied to your level of activity and involvement. Insights from the white paper. Anticipation and hints. The white paper had been hinting at a major event, and the announcement of September 26th perfectly aligns with those predictions. The build-up and suspense were clearly part of the strategy to generate excitement and anticipation. Community buzz. The announcement has sparked a wave of excitement within the community. Players and investors are buzzing with predictions, strategies, and preparations, all aiming to maximize their advantage as the event approaches. What does this mean for you? Prepare your wallet. Ensure that your cryptocurrency wallet is properly set up and linked to your Hamster Kombat account. This is where the airdrop tokens will be sent, so double-check all details to avoid any last-minute issues. Stay engaged. Your activity level in Hamster Kombat will likely influence the amount of airdrop rewards you receive. Engage with the game regularly, complete all available tasks, and participate in community events to boost your chances. Turn on notifications. To stay on top of any last-minute updates or changes, make sure your notifications are on. This way, you'll receive the latest information as soon as it's available and won't miss out on any important announcements. Countdown to September 26th, the excitement is palpable, and the stakes are high. We'll be here every step of the way, bringing you the latest updates and helping you prepare for this monumental event. Get ready to dive into the action, claim your rewards, and elevate your Hamster Kombat experience to new heights. This is the moment you've been waiting for, and it's going to be one for the history books. Let's dive into what's new and how you can position yourself to make the most of the airdrop when it arrives. The white paper introduces several exciting mini-games designed to keep you engaged and boost your gameplay. Here's what you need to do. Stay active. Airdrop rewards are tied to your activity level. The more you engage with the game, the better your chances of a significant reward. Complete daily tasks. Finish those daily combos and ciphers. They not only increase your coin balance but also contribute to your overall game cycle, which could impact your airdrop rewards. Engage with the community. Hamster Kombat isn't just about individual success, it's about community. Invite friends, build your squad, and participate in community events. Strong connections could enhance your earnings. Prepare for wallet integration. Ensure your wallet is properly connected to the game. Airdrops will be distributed directly to your linked wallets, so double-check everything is set. Here's where it gets really exciting. While exact details remain under wraps, the white paper hints at even more developments post-airdrop. Season 2 is already in the works, and with more players joining daily, the potential rewards are growing. What does this mean for you? Stay sharp, stay engaged, and be ready for anything. Hamster Kombat is on the verge of something revolutionary, and you don't want to miss out. Keep leveling up, CEOs. When the TGE and Airdrop finally hit, you'll want to be at the top of your game. That's a wrap for today, Hamster CEOs. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. We'll be bringing you all the latest news as it happens, so you'll be first to know when the airdrop lands. Drop your predictions in the comments below. When do you think the TGE will happen? Let's get the conversation started. Stay tuned, stay active, and remember, hamsters are the new whales. Until next time, keep climbing that leaderboard.